Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS and collecting identifiers so you can get the right drivers. Don't guess. Once you have the OS build and device model, create a restore point or full image to recover if something breaks. Then open Device Manager, expand the category, and note the exact device name and current driver version. This prevents installing wrong or unsigned drivers. Make sure you run these steps with admin rights so updates can be applied cleanly and safely. Now download the correct driver from the vendor or use Windows Update. Prefer WHQL-signed packages for stability. Once downloaded, review release notes for compatibility and uninstall the old driver if the update changes major versions or if you saw conflicts. For complex devices like GPUs or network adapters, install from safe mode to avoid service conflicts and run the vendor installer as administrator. After installation, reboot even if not requested, because many drivers only finish configuring during startup. Finally, verify success. Open Device Manager, confirm no error icon, check driver date and version, and run a quick functionality test of the device. If things go wrong, use rollback driver or perform a clean install. Uninstall the device, delete driver package, and reinstall the known good version. Make sure to disable automatic driver updates if a new driver breaks workflows. Troubleshooting tip: if hardware fails after update, restore the system image or use safe mode to remove the problematic driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.